Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining us for this call. We're giving you an overview of the SHAPE program at the Natural Path. First, let me just introduce myself and my husband, Carl Malone. We co-own the Natural Path together. He is an ANMCB board certified doctor of natural medicine. He's also a certified SHAPE practitioner. And then you can read here a little bit more about his bio. My name is Kimberly Malone, and I'm a certified FDN practitioner, as well as a certified SHAPE practitioner. FDN stands for Functional Diagnostic Nutrition, and it is a very holistic discipline that uses functional lab work to assess and identify hidden stressors in the body and to address those. We just want to remind you that this is just for education. We're not diagnosing, treating, preventing, or curing any diseases here. Please consult your doctor if you have questions. So just a quick slide on some testimonials. These are about a year ago, Carl and I both started working with the SHAPE program, and we had some great results. If anyone has been in our office, you've probably met our golden retriever, Ruby. She and I love to go on adventures, and I have had trouble with that in the past just because of inflammation in my knees and my joints. And it has been a pleasure to be able to spend a lot more time with Ruby, just walking and going on adventures with the SHAPE program. It has really helped me with some of that inflammation. And what Carl had noticed was just a reduction in aches and pains, stiffness. He was also noticing improved sleep. The other testimonials on this slide aren't our actual clients, but they have also experienced the SHAPE program and provided this testimonial to the SHAPE website. So what is the SHAPE program? It is a health restoration and lifestyle modification program. That means that you are working on some diet and lifestyle changes. It includes a combination of SHAPE drops as well as a nutrition protocol. It's very simple, effective, and a safe way to optimize your health. So why is it different? It's not a diet or a weight loss program. We as practitioners monitor you not only for accountability, but to also customize the program to your unique needs. We're also hoping that you learn some habits that you will continue to exercise for the long term. This is also not a program that's using bars or shakes. It's all real foods, and that's a real positive. And just kind of like the way I work as an FDN practitioner, it is intended to address underlying causes, those root causes of a lot of the health problems that we are experiencing. With SHAPE Reclaimed, it's not going to be about what you'll lose, it's going to be about what you'll gain. And this is a quote from Dr. Todd Friesch. He is the one who started the SHAPE program based on decades of his own experience working with clients that were struggling with inflammation, losing weight, and other health problems. So the SHAPE program works because it is addressing 4 key areas of illness. Number 1 is inflammation, and here at the Natural Path, we're very focused on that this month. All of our specials are related to inflammation. Number 2, detoxification. We are constantly accumulating things in our bodies that are actually toxic, whether it's coming from our food, our air, our personal care products. So this is going to be helping open up your detoxification pathways. Also, immunity, that, as we know, is so important in our world right now, and helping to build your immunity is a key component of building your overall health. And then 4th, kind of the results of these other things as we tend to shed weight. So ask yourself, do you experience any of these? You can see everything from acne to food allergies to weight gain on this list. They are all indicating that you may be dealing with inflammation. So the benefits that you'll get from the SHAPE program are reducing those allergies, reducing cholesterol, inflammation, hopefully a reduction in prescriptions if you're taking any, also reduction in pain and a reduction in weight. You should also see improvements in blood pressure, blood sugar, your digestion, energy, hormone balance, immunity, your mental clarity, your moods, just how you interact with food, your skin, hair, nails, and even a better night's sleep. These are all things that should improve when you're doing the SHAPE program. So the SHAPE program may not be for everyone. We'll just very quickly, I want to highlight if you are currently pregnant or nursing, if you're undergoing chemotherapy or radiation, if you're on dialysis, if you're dealing with a mental disorder like schizophrenia, or you have severe eating disorders, this may not be the best program for you. But if you are just a regular kind of person struggling with just all kinds of chronic health concerns, or just not feeling like you would like to, this program will be a great benefit to you. We do want to closely monitor anyone who's dealing with diabetes, obesity, multiple prescription medications, or elderly clients. So how can you be successful on this program? First, we do talk to you about determining why you want to do it. So really understanding what it's going to allow you to do in your life that maybe you can't do now is so important. And then setting goals to get there. We're going to ask you to take ownership of your own health, as well as educating yourself on health issues. We do provide a guidebook. It's not long. This guidebook is something you can sit down and read in one sitting. We also have some great web resources for you. The SHAPE Reclaimed site gives you a lot more information. And then we are going to be really looking at your whole person. So not maybe just your diet, but also your sleep habits and how much water you're drinking. So it is a total health program. And then to be successful, you want to be following up with us regularly. So Henry Van Dyke said, some succeed because they're destined to, but most succeed because they're determined to. So your success really is based on your focus and determination. So we are providing this in a 2-month package. It's based on 3 pieces. And that first piece is that we'll be doing 6 office visits in our package. You're doing them once a week for the first month, and then 2 visits the second month. And at each of those visits, the second piece, you will be doing you'll be doing a urinalysis test, so 6 in total. And the other piece is just following through with your nutritional program and the SHAPE drops. So as we go through that program, we'll be reviewing your progress through the urinalysis. That will help us determine if we need to make any adjustments, or if there are other recommendations we might make to your lifestyle or other supplementations. The urinalysis is very important to this program because it's helping us to see if your body has gone into a state of starvation. Not even that you feel like you're hungry, but sometimes your body can get signals that it is starving, and it will then hold on to weight unnecessarily. So we use that urinalysis to make sure that you're not getting signals to your brain that say it's starving. And then we can address that to help you to continue to move forward. Also, it helps us just to see if there are other shifts in your metabolism that we need to address as you go through the program. It's a very easy test that you just do in the office before your appointments. And then there are 3 phases to the program, phase 1, 2, and 3, and I'll just briefly cover those. In phase 1, it is really the cleansing part of the program. And this will be 3 weeks, maybe more if you have bigger goals that you're trying to achieve. But initially, phase 1 is working to cleanse your body of toxins. We're also working on balancing your brain chemistry, decreasing inflammation, building your immune system. And if weight loss is one of your goals, you would begin to shed that excess weight. So during that phase 1, you'll be taking the shape drops as well as following the nutritional protocol. In phase 1, there are 2 options. The basic cleanse is if you're just dealing with more inflammatory issues and you're not trying to lose any weight. In the fast track cleanse, you are dealing maybe with significant inflammation or you are wanting to lose some weight. And so that helps us move forward more quickly. In phase 2, the stabilize phase, this phase also lasts 3 weeks. It's just 3 weeks. It doesn't go longer than that. And the purpose here is to stabilize your brain chemistry. If you were losing weight in phase 1, it's helping your body to just get comfortable with that new set point and help you to maintain it. During the phase 2, you are not taking any shape drops, but you are beginning to add foods that maybe had been previously eliminated. In phase 3, this is what we call the live phase. And this is where we're just getting into a maintenance program and just learning to maintain a healthy lifestyle to just lock in your results. You can continue to take the shape drops just daily, just as a normal nutrient, a normal supplement. And then we will also just help you kind of decide what is a good plan for you to maintain those results going forward. And then periodically you may do another 3-week quick cleanse just to keep yourself on track for the long term. In the as we determine a program for you in that live phase long term, here are just some of the different options. We've listed things like the 80-20 rule, trying to make sure your foods are really healthy and the best for you 80% of the time. And then having a little wiggle room, maybe on weekends or at birthday parties, where you cross over into foods that may not be the best for you. So you can see the different options here that we might consider, and we'll tailor that to what's best for your lifestyle. So I just want to tell you a little bit more about these shape drops because they're such a key component of the program. They do help to balance hormones, to help with your mood, your energy. They do provide some appetite control, help you sleep better, help with digestion, body aches, joint pain and stiffness. We do just remind you that during the phase 2-3 week period, you will be taking a break from the shape drops. And then once you're into the phase 3, the live phase, you'll be doing those drops once or twice a day as you wish. During the first phase, you take these drops 3 times a day. So the primary function, we've kind of already covered this, but just to remind you, primarily with the shape drops, we are balancing your brain chemistry so that it's improving communication between your hypothalamus and pituitary gland. Those are glands up in your brain, and they are driving the whole show. They're kind of like the keyboard of your computer. And so they need to be communicating well to the rest of the body. The shape drops use only the highest quality organic and well-crafted raw materials. There aren't fillers, binders, or preservatives in these. They are effective, safe, they are hormone-free, and each ingredient has a very specific purpose. You can see a full list of the ingredients on the Shape Reclaimed website, or you may also ask us for a list of those ingredients and their purpose. We do have a couple add-ons to our Shape program here at the Natural Path. The first is called Body Light System. And what the picture you see here is one of the pads of that system. There are 8 of them in total. And these pads are used to help target areas of the body where you would like to get some inch reduction. So these paddles are applied directly to the skin, and they help stimulate the fat cells in that area to open up pores and release their contents. This is a quick 15-minute treatment, and you can lose inches in just 6 sessions. So the add-on with our program here is that you can do this treatment during your shape visits. So you're making really good use of your time and are able to accelerate some of that inch loss. Another add-on that we have is Carl does hypnosis for weight loss. And he describes this often like a bug in your software. So if you are one that would be interested in hypnosis, it's kind of like getting a software upgrade. There can be programs that are just running in our minds subconsciously that is kind of like there's a bug in the programming, and it can make it difficult for some people to achieve their goals or to lose the weight they want to lose. So this is an option that we are making available to our Shape clients as well. So to wrap it up here, for this Shape program, we have this 2-month package. It's priced at $549. It includes the Shape drops, the program guidebook. We provide simple recipes for phase 1, and there are tons of recipes also available on a website. There are the 6 urinalysis tests to go along with the 6 office visits. And we can work remotely with people if they aren't able to come into our office. We also offer the package with the 6 body light sessions for people who refer others to the Shape program. We appreciate that, and we have a $30 supplement credit at our office if you have someone that you would refer that signs up. So at this time, we will turn off our recording, and then we will do a Q&A. But thank you so much for any of you watching this recording online, and please give us a call at the office if you have any questions. Thanks and have a great day.